Hello kids, let's learn some colors, then reading, writing, ABCD, okay? Orange color, sky blue color, white color, sea green color, yellow color, black color, brown color, blue color, green color, violet color, light green color, pink color, light pink color, red color. A. Orange color. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for ball. B for ball. C for car. C for car. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for guava. G for guava. H for hen. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. J for jackfruit. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L for lion. L for lion. M for mango. M for mango. N for nest. N for nest. O for orange. O for orange. P for pen. P for pen. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rat. R for rat. S for sun. S for sun. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for vegetables. V for vegetables. W for watch. W for watch. X for x-ray. X for x-ray. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.